A younger soul was chosen to love you deeply. And if you're reading these words right now, understand this first: this is not random. You didn't arrive here by accident. Your eyes paused here because some messages find us only when we're finally ready to hear them. Some connections are chosen long before they appear in real time, before names dot, before timing makes sense, before logic catches up with truth. And the reason a younger person was chosen to love you deeply has nothing to do with age. It has everything to do with timing, soul maturity, and unfinished spiritual alignment. You were never meant to walk this chapter of your life unseen. Your soul carries weight. You carry depth that most people never develop. Your life hasn't been easy. You learned responsibility early. You learned emotional survival before emotional pleasure. You learned how to give long before you learned how to receive. Many people your age or older mistake your strength for invincibility. They assume you don't need gentleness because you're capable. They believe you don't need softness because you endure. But this younger soul was chosen because they can feel the part of you that hides. They don't see you as too strong. They see you as someone who is tired. Someone who deserves rest. Their heart is still open, while others became guarded, hardened, skeptical. This soul still believes in connection. They still feel deeply. They still love freely. They still hope honestly. That openness is not immaturity. It's emotional purity. Your soul needed someone who could approach you without fear. Someone who wouldn't compete with your strength. Someone who wouldn't try to control your independence. They approach love with curiosity, not ego. Where others feel intimidated by your depth, this person feels drawn in. They don't feel small around you. They feel safe. Guided. Understood. Your presence calms something chaotic inside them. Your voice grounds them. Your silence doesn't feel cold. It feels meaningful. They sense the wisdom you carry, and instead of resisting it, they lean into it. Before you, love was an idea. After you, love became something they could feel. You awakened emotional awareness inside them, a depth that surprised even them. They didn't expect to care this deeply. They didn't expect your absence to affect them. They didn't expect your presence to feel like home. That's because soul recognition doesn't ask permission. They see the real you, not the role you play, not the image you maintain, not the strength you show the world. They see the tired version of you, the version that doubts quietly, the version that has been hurt and still hopes. When you withdraw, they notice when something is wrong. They feel it even when you say nothing. This isn't coincidence. This is emotional attunement. Each has nothing to do with emotional readiness. Some souls mature early. Some never mature at all. This younger soul carries emotional intelligence beyond their years because they were meant to meet you. They understand silence. They respect boundaries. They feel deeply without demanding recklessly. They don't rush you. They don't pressure you. They wait because something inside them knows you're worth patience. You give so much. You think deeply. You carry responsibility. You hold others together. They bring lightness. They remind you how to laugh without guilt, how to rest without fear, how to enjoy the moment without overthinking the outcome, where you are heavy with meaning. They are gentle with presence. This is balance. They love you without trying to own you, without trying to change you, without demanding explanations for your complexity. They understand that loving you means giving you space, trusting your process, and standing beside you without possession. This kind of love is rare. And that's why it had to come from a soul not yet corrupted by fear. You don't just heal them by loving them. You heal them by being you. Your patience teaches them trust. Your honesty teaches them maturity. Your consistency teaches them stability. You are not a lesson they outgrow. You are a connection that reshapes them. They don't love you for who you were. They love you for who you are becoming. They see the future in you, the peace you're moving toward, the stability you're building, the love you're finally learning how to receive. And even when you doubt it, they believe in it. This connection was never meant to be easy. There may be confusion. There may be distance. There may be fear, especially from you, because when something feels this real, it threatens old survival patterns. But difficulty doesn't mean wrong. Sometimes the right connection arises while you're still learning how to receive love. They don't fear your depth. They don't disappear when emotions surface. They don't shut down when conversations get real. They stay even when they don't fully understand. That is love. Whether this connection lasts a lifetime or arrives to awaken something permanent within you, it was chosen with purpose. Final truth: you were never meant to be loved lightly. And this younger soul was chosen because they love with sincerity, not fear. They don't see the age difference as separation. They see it as balance. They don't see your past as baggage. They see it as proof of strength. They don't see loving you as risky. They see it as destined. Whether they're already in your life, you're still on their way. This connection is not an accident. It is alignment. It is timing. It is recognition. And most of all, it is love that sees you when you finally stop hiding.